This is what we're expecting to see, but maybe not today because it's raining a lot. We have our guide here. He's a biologist, and he's gonna take us through this hike, 3-hour hike, and through the park and the jungle, so we can learn about animals and the forest. So here we start the adventure. Let's go! Ready?
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 Yes.
So we're rubbing citronella, which is this. She's rubbing it on her butt because she's getting bit by the mosquitoes on her butt. But this is citronella. This is citronella fruit. And it helps for the mosquitoes. And it smells so good. It's incredible. You rub it on yourself, and that way you don't get bit by mosquitoes. You see? I love this.
The worst thing that can happen is
You need me to rub your ass?
Urgently. So many mosquito bites on there.
A little here, a little there. We're here. This is the main entrance, the national park. Crossing rivers, people. I love it. A brilliant forest frog. Right there. 30 meters high and 16 meters deep. And she's powerful. You see, we made it here. Usually this waterfall is like clear and turquoise because of all the rain. And now it's not showing its true colors, maybe tomorrow. But look how beautiful she is. So that was the beautiful waterfall that we hiked up to. It was a crazy hike. We didn't go all the way to the lagoon because it's very cloudy and we really want to see it blue. So we're gonna wake up again really early tomorrow and try to head out and check it out. This is a perfect example of a walking palm or walking tree. They grow roots from their side and then they lean against the side that they want to go to, searching for the light. So they reroot themselves in a different place on the ground and search for more light. Oh, we made it after a nice hike in the jungle. It's beautiful. When the day's cleared out. Oh, buddy's here. What's up? Hello. And now we're gonna go see one of the biggest trees in Costa Rica, he said?
The third biggest tree.
The third biggest tree. Oh, ¿el árbol de qué? ¿El árbol de la paz? The peace tree. Peace tree. Check it out. In any case, this is the second largest tree in Costa Rica. It's a ceiba tree. And it's right here, right in front of us. And it's absolutely incredible. The gambas, las gambas, which are the roots that start from like over here and they come all the way down here. So we're beginning our night walk in the jungle. What I love about night walks in the jungle is that you get to see a lot of insects, a lot of animals. With luck, we'll be able to see some snakes or even tarantulas. This is the masked tree frog.
Masked tree frog. So bad.
It's a tarantula right there. Oh, it's so cool. Mira that right there. We have a tarantula right here. Oh,
Vine
there's
snake.
a little snake. Oh, wow. Check her out. Do they bite?
Yes.
Is it
But it's not
poisonous?
no, it's not dangerous. No.
So it does not matter. We got to see a snake. In some cases, it doesn't matter. In this case, it didn't. We're happy we saw a snake. There's always tomorrow. Amazing night hike. Ending the day in a very relaxed mode. Right here in the jacuzzi.